All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I want to talk about Tesla Model Y price increase. So the price recently increased. We're in, this is March 17th, 2022. Price increased recently, but there was also previous price increases. Back in October 2021, there was a price increase. Now there's another price increase on the Tesla Model Y. Okay, I want to show you guys something interesting. So I want to go on the Tesla website, show you my Tesla order, because I have a Model Y on order that I ordered in August 2021. I'm still waiting for it. My expected delivery is now sometime in April. It's probably going to be pushed back later. I appreciate all the comments you guys have been leaving down, like telling me what your time frames are. It seems like everyone who has like a Model Y long range is getting pushed out. The performance versions are getting delivered a lot quicker, and if you have full self-driving, that's a quicker delivery too. So the fact that I'll have a long range and no full self-driving probably means I'm not going to get it for a while, which, you know, because Tesla's in a transition right now, they're transitioning production or trying to ramp up production at Giga Texas. You know, they're redesigning the new battery pack. There's a structural battery pack, the wiring. There's supposed to be some benefits to that. So, you know, if I get one of those vehicles, I don't mind waiting a couple more months to get the newly redesigned Model Y. So I want to show you here on the website. All right, guys, check out this side-by-side comparison. So this is the vehicle I ordered. If I go on, this is the Tesla website today, March 17th, 2022. These are the options that I ordered. So long range, black, 20-inch wheels, black interior, 7-seat, and autopilot tow hitch. I didn't do full self-driving, neither does this one. Here's what the cost is. Does not include taxes, registration, or that. $71,940. is the price today, March 17, 2022. Side-by-side comparison, this is my, if I go into my Tesla account and I look at my order from August 2021, all the same options, the car price, $62,440. Okay, now down here it does show me what my taxes are because I live in Utah. There's, you know, uniform fee, registration, sales tax, $67,441 is my out-the-door price. But if we're comparing an apples to apples, it's $62,440 to $71,940. It's $9,500 more to order a Tesla Model Y now than it was in August, which is crazy. And it kind of makes sense that Tesla is kind of pushing out these orders because they want nothing more for us to cancel these orders. Tesla wants us to cancel these. If they cancel it, they can sell it to someone who orders today for $71,940, and they're making the $9,500, not us. Guys, that is a huge increase. $9,500 from when the time I ordered till now. I still don't have my car. It could be a couple months. I mean, I could be, you know, it could be August till I get. It could be a year from when I ordered it. But here's kind of the, not the word of warning, but I want to pass this along because I've heard from several people in the comments that have commented on their frustration with not only the price increase but the delays in the delivery. But if you are frustrated, guys, if you have an order from last year before these price increases, if you ordered back in August, September before these price increases, hold on to your order. Don't cancel your order. What you can do, you can get this vehicle delivered to you, and you could turn around and sell it for more than what you're into it, even if you have to pay sales tax on it. I even had that consideration back in December when I was considering canceling my order, and I ended up just listing the car on a local classified ad for about $900 more than what I was going to be out the door in the car, and I had someone right away that was willing to buy it. Well, that eventually fell through because it just kept getting pushed back, and now I'm going to eventually keep the car when it does get built and delivered to me. But use that as a strategy. Guys, Tesla wants us, I think Tesla wants us to cancel these orders. I think they're overwhelmed with orders. People are just flooding Tesla with these orders. This price increase is a way for them to curb people's enthusiasm for the car and try to and buy them some time to kind of catch up on production because they're really, it seems like they're really backlogged in production. The fact that it's going to take a year for some people are going to be an entire year before they get their Model Y. And really, it's the long range. The performance ones are taking precedence. The performance ones are getting delivered sooner. If you order full self-driving, you're going to get delivered sooner. Now, on my my vehicle, I ordered back in August, and those that ordered before, it was sometime a cutoff in January, you could add full self-driving for $10,000. Now it's $12,000, which I'm still not adding. And it's not worth adding just to get it delivered quicker. It's not worth $10,000. I don't think it's worth it. It wouldn't be worth it for $5,000. I'm not gonna do it, because I have a Tesla right now, a Tesla Model S, that has just Autopilot 1.0, and I love it. It's great. Autopilot works great on the highway. It's really just for highway driving. And this is going to have the Model Y non-full self-driving is going to have Autopilot, and it's awesome. Autopilot's awesome. I can't foresee the need of having full self-driving. But the fact that it's $9,500 more today than it was in August, end of August when I ordered my car, it's crazy. So one thing to consider is if you have an order and you're frustrated with Tesla, just buy the car, and if you really don't want it after that point, resell it, because we now have almost $10,000 of equity. You know, I've got to pay. I'm looking at my fees here. I've got to pay almost $5,000 in fees, taxes, registration, title, uniform fee, whatever all those other fees are. I've got to pay all those because I live in a state that has those taxes. If you live in a state that doesn't have sales tax, you know, you're going to even come out more ahead, for example. Anyways, guys, I wanted to pass along this side-by-side comparison. It'll be interesting to see if prices continue to increase over the next several months as Tesla starts ramping up production. It will be interesting to see also if the Model Y with this new 4680 pack is going to start getting a range increase. That will be interesting too. If I get a car, if I have to wait a couple months to get a car that has, let's say, closer to 400-mile range, this new battery pack, I will be pleased that I'll have a better car than what I originally ordered. That would be awesome. That would be a really cool way of Tesla to say, hey, thanks for waiting. Here's a better car, and enjoy this. So that would be awesome. I also won't be disappointed if I get the car I ordered. I know this car only has just over 300 miles of range, which that's pretty good, and that'll be pretty good in most situations, and it'll be a fairly decent road trip car too. But I wanted to pass along this side-by-side comparison, and I think Tesla is still going to get orders for this car. The orders for the Model Y are not going to really slow down, and especially the way gas prices, you know, national average is over $5 a gallon right now in the middle of March 2022. It's crazy right now. So electric cars make even more sense now. People are really flocking to them, and the Model Y is going to be a great vehicle. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. Hit that thumbs up button. Leave your comments down below. It's always interesting to leave to read your comments about your Tesla ordering experience, whether you have one or not, or just your feedback. So subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.